Welcome fans. In this video, I'll be talking about an example of bubble sort. Bubble sort algorithm. Okay, so the unsorted list we're talking about is going to be as follows. Unsorted list is A 4 3 7 6 5 2 1. Okay, so it's pass 1. Okay, so look at these two. We're going to swap them. Okay. Okay, look at these two. Swap. Okay. Okay, we did A and 3, so now we're going to do A7 swap. That becomes 4 3 7 8 6 5 2 1. Okay, so 4 3 7 8 6 5 2 1. We did 7 8, so now we'll do A6 swap. That'll be 4 3 7 6 8 5 2 1 swap. Okay, we did 6 A, so now we're gonna do A5. That's another swap. So we did A5, so I need to do 5A. So now we're at, so we did 43765. Let's write that down. 43765. 43765. 43765. And then we do 82, and then this should be a 1. 43765, 81. 1. Okay, so we're gonna do, so the last one we did were 8 and 5. So now we're gonna do 8 and 2. So we need another swap. So that would be 4 3 7 6 5 2 8 1 swap. Okay, so now we're gonna do, we did 2A, so now we're gonna do A1. That's another swap. And that's the first pass. 4 3 7 6 5 2 1 8. So that finished the first pass. We're gonna do past two. We're gonna start at the beginning again. So we're gonna start with this here. So it'll be 4, 3, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1, 8. Okay, remember this one is done already, so that's in a good place. So now we're gonna start here. So it's gonna be another swap. So it will be 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1, 8. That's a swap. Okay, so 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1, 8. We do this one, so that's okay. So no swap. Okay, so now we're gonna do 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1, 8. So we did 4, 7. Now we do this one is a swap. It'll be 3, 4, 6, 7, 5, 2, 1, 8. So that's a swap. So we did 6, 7. Now we do 7, 5. That's another swap. So now we're in 3. Okay, for a second. We're on 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 5. Then 7, 2, 1, 8. 7, 2, 1, 8. Okay, so now we were on 7, 5. So now we'll do 7, 5. We'll do 7, 2. 7, 2. We need a swap. So that we'll need to do 3, 4, 6, 5, 2, 7, 1, 8. So that's a swap. So 2, 7. Now we do 7, 1. That's another swap. And we stop here because we don't need to do this one. Okay, so then now we're gonna go to pass 3. So now these two are okay. So pass 3. So we're gonna start 3, 4, 6, 5, 2, 1, 7, 8. And then do this one. So that's okay. And 3, 4 is okay. So no swap. And I'm gonna do 3, 4, 6, 5, 2, 1, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6. That's no swap. 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 1, 7, 8. 4, 6. And then we do 6, 1. So that needs a swap. So now we're gonna do 3, 4, 1, 6, 2, 1, 7, 8. So that's a swap. Let's go to the next page. So with 3, 4, 1, 6. 3, 4, 1, 6. What else? I'm gonna do 2178. 2178. So actually, these should be 6 and 5, not 6 5. So these should be 6 and 5. These should be 5. These should be 5. Okay. So 3 4 5 6, 3 4 5 6, and then we'll check the other ones. 2178. 2178. Yes. Okay. So now let's see. We were on 5 6, so we'll need to do 6 2. Okay, that needs a swap. So we're gonna do 3 4 5 6. That 6 has to flip. So this should be 6, and this should be 2. 2178. Swap. 3 4 5 2 6 1 7 8. Now we're gonna do, we did 6 2, so now we're gonna do 6 1. So that's gonna be 3 4 5 2 1 6 7 8. That's a swap. We'll do 3 4 5 2 1 6 7 8. The deep one 6. So we did 7 8, so we don't need to do that one. So we'll stop here. Okay, now we're gonna do pass 4. We're gonna do 3 4 5 5 2 1 6 7 8. First the first two. So then these ones are done. So these ones are done already. Okay, so now we're gonna do 3 4. So that's okay. So now swap. Now we're gonna do 3 4 5 2 1 6 7 8. And I do 4 5. That's okay. So now swap. 3 4 5 6 5 2 1 6 5 2 6 7 8. So we did 4 5. Now we're gonna do 5 2. That's a swap. So we're gonna do 3 4 2 5 1 6 7 8. That's a swap. So now we're gonna did 5 2. So now we're gonna do 5 1. We need a swap. So that will be 3 4 2 1 6 7 8. So now these ones are okay. So now we're gonna do go to pass 5. Let's do these two, so that's no swap. These two, these on the swap. And we did 4 2, so now we do 4 1, that's a swap. And that's it for this one. Now I'm gonna do it to pass 6. This is a swap, so I'm gonna do 2 3 1 4 5 6 7 8. I mean 1, the 2 1 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's a swap. You know, do 2 1 3 4 5 6 7 8. And we'll do 3 4. That's okay, so no swap. And that's it. Because we cannot do 4 5 because that's already, this is already sorted. That means we're gonna end here. 4 5. And we're gonna do 7 is should be the last one. Okay, so now we're gonna do 2 1 3 4 5 6 7 8. We're gonna do the first two. You don't need to swap. It'll be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we're done. That should be our sorted list. And it is correct because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is in order. Okay, my friends, fans. So that's it. That's bubble sort. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So as you can see, that should be your last step on pass 7 to swap 1 and 2. It should be last step. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.